Thank you very much. My colleagues, leaders of political parties present, chairmen, secretary generals, party officials, members of parliament present, distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Hamjambo. Basi nikisema Kenya Kwanza, tunasema kazi ni kazi. Nikisema kazi ni kazi, tunasema pesa mfukoni. Kenya Kwanza, kazi ni kazi. Kenya Kwanza, kazi ni kazi. Kenya Kwanza, kazi ni kazi. Kazi ni kazi, pesa mfukoni. Kazi ni kazi, pesa mfukoni. That's where we start. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a historic moment. In these grounds today, we have come together, the coalition of the willing, the coalition of the free, to put together the team that will take our great country to the next level. There are many coalitions in town, but this is a coalition with a difference. The alliance we put together today is the alliance of the free, the alliance of the willing. The other side have the alliance of the intimidated, and the alliance of the blackmailed, and the alliance of the coerced. There is a world of a difference between what is going on here and what is going on elsewhere. The alliance we put together today is an alliance about changing the economy of our country. We have discussed long and hard about the priority of our nation, and we have all come to the conclusion that it is the economy. And that's why this alliance is about changing the economy so that we can transform our nation, change the fortunes of our citizens, and put money in people's pockets. The alliance on the other side is about changing the Constitution. That's where the difference is. The alliance we put together this afternoon is the alliance about the people, about the citizens of the great Republic of Kenya, about the people issues, the jobs for our young people, transforming agriculture and using it to put money in millions of the people of Kenya. It's about making every hustle to matter and to count. It's an alliance about the people of Kenya. The other side is an alliance about leaders and about sharing power and about sharing positions. Ladies and gentlemen, the difference between what we are doing this afternoon and what our competitors are doing is like day and night. This afternoon, we come here as free people, consciously, deliberately engaging ourselves in this exercise. As you have heard from our lawyers, every person who has signed into the documents here has signed so out of free will. They have read the document, they have had time to internalize the document. Some people have made suggestions to the document. some of those suggestions have been carried on board because we are a free people. We do not believe that, and it doesn't matter how much power you have or how much influence you have, you cannot blindfold people into an agreement that they have not read, that they have not understood, and that they later have to complain about. I think it is the height of impunity. I also want to say that the team we are putting together this afternoon is the team that will rid our country of the politics of deceit, the politics of betrayal. We are saying loud and clear that a nation is built on the foundation of integrity. That a nation is built on leaders, on the basis of leaders who have integrity. The integrity of a leader is measured by their signature and their word. If your signature and your word means nothing, that confirms that you have no integrity in you. And this afternoon, we are putting together this team because we want to change the political foundation of our nation so that henceforth our political foundation will be built on the firm foundation of integrity, where your word is your bond. If your signature means nothing, if your word means nothing, then you do not deserve any leadership position in our republic. The worst form of corruption is the corruption of trust. If people trust you, they entrust you their emotions, their future, their aspirations, and you cannot keep your word, you abuse their trust, you corrupt their trust. It is the worst form of impunity, and that is why we stand tall as Kenya Kwanza to say we are going to change the political foundation of our country and bring it back to the integrity of every leader and their word and their signature. Good people, we are set on a journey to take Kenya to the next level. I want to persuade my colleagues, party leaders, who together we have signed these documents this afternoon, that this journey is not about a person. This journey is about the people of Kenya, the 50 million people of our great Republic of Kenya. Kenyans out there want an answer. They want a solution. They want to know whether their next meal is secure. They want to know whether they can go to a hospital and get treatment. They want to know how their children after school can get a job. Kenyans want answers. We've asked too many questions. It's now time for us to provide the answers. And I am confident that the team we have here and those who are coming to join us soon, and there are many, will take our great country to the next level. We all believe in a peaceful country. We are all planning to have a peaceful election. We are dismantling the tribal base of our politics, and we are assembling an issue base for our politics. That is the future of our country. Countrymen, I ask you, one and all, to join us in this great task where every vote counts, every person matters, and every corner of our country must pull together. I do not wish to make this a long speech, because we have come here for a very solemn occasion to append our signatures, to commit ourselves that we are going to build a team that will prosecute the agenda we have for the transformation of our great country. Let me take this opportunity to invite my brother, Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, to make his brief remarks, as I will all the other party leaders who are here this afternoon.